What's up, guys? My name is Chef Ronaldo Linares, and today we are with Eat Clean, bro. We're using the A La Carte menu to make the Mexican bowl, bro. So let's see what we got in the bag, and let's get cooking. All right, let's see what we got in the bag. We got the Rojo sauce, yellow rice, perfectly cooked London broil, my favorite, Pico de gallo, always fun to say. We got some nice cooked broccoli. So let's see what we're gonna put together here. Everything's perfectly seasoned. You just gotta get creative and put this thing together. So we need some yellow rice, some London broil, Rojo sauce, Pico de gallo, broccoli. I'm also bringing in a little help. We got some chicken broth, a little bit of olive oil, and of course, when we plate this, we wanna make it look nice. So we got some microgreens, we're gonna cut some chives up, put it right on top, some added flavor, and finish it with a little bit of salt and black pepper. All right, we gotta cook this. Obviously, we're not doing it here, so let's head over to the stove. The great things about this meal is that we're pretty much set. All we need to do is bring it back to life. So first, we're gonna start off by turning on the stove. But first, we need a little bit of that chicken broth to bring it back to life a little bit. So we got our broth, we're gonna put it into our preheated pan. We'll need about 1 or 2 ounces. Bring it up to a nice simmer, kind of reduce it down a bit and bring the broth up to temperature. From that point, we're gonna be adding the yellow rice, the broccoli. We're gonna mix it up to bring it together. You wanna make sure you turn the heat down to low and continuously mix it. We don't want to burn the bottom of the rice. This will allow for it to get nice and creamy, give it a nice texture with the chicken broth that we added in. We put that to the side. Now we gotta get our London broil seared. So for this, we have a preheated pan. We're gonna add some olive oil. We wanna make sure the whole surface is covered. Now we're going to grab our fancy tongs here, and we're gonna add it too. You hear that sear? That's the sear that you want. So you want to get this cooked, just kind of heat it through. We don't wanna cook it too much. At the end of the day, this is already done. We're just helping it warm it up and kind of create a new dish out of the A La Carte menu. So if you preheated the pan correctly, it should only take about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Once cooked, we want to remove it from the heat. We want to take advantage of all of this flavor right here, this fond. So how are we going to do that? We're going to take a Rojo sauce. We're going to pour it right in. We're going to take our spoon, preferably a wooden spoon, and scrape the bottom of the pan. That's gonna allow us to extract flavor from the London broil. We're just gonna bring this up to temp. We're gonna turn it off. We're gonna cut some chives up, put it right on top, some added flavor. So it's now time to plate it up. But before we go there, I wanna talk about putting a complete dish together. We got our starch, we got our veg, we got our London broil, and bringing in some spice with the Pico de gallo and the Rojo sauce. So let's put this dish together. First off, we're gonna get our rice. Our broccoli, we're gonna put it right in the middle. I like to put the broccoli right off to the side. There we go. Now it's time for our London broil. Let's lay it right out. It's already been cut perfectly. Again, seasoned at about 4 to 6 ounces is a nice portion to add there. Now let's go with our Pico de gallo. Put a nice little dollop right off to the side. Our Rojo sauce, we're gonna put it right in the middle, right above the London broil. Now microgreens are gonna bring a little bit of that veg that you need, a little crispiness, so on, like a little bit of a salad. And then we're gonna sprinkle in our chives over the top to finish our plate. All right, now we added our herbs. Let's clean up the plate. Let's make it look nice, because nothing better than having a nice plate of food, nicely plated. Got some bright colors there. And then let me add a little bit of finishing salt and some black pepper into here. So we're gonna add some salt, a little bit additional flavor. I like a little spice in mine, so we're gonna add some fresh black pepper at the top. And there you have it, a Mexican bowl. And let me tell you, it's pretty easy, bro.